Myself, I am Mohanish, studying 7th Standard Coding Academy. Today, we will learn how to interface I2C LCD to Arduino UNO. First, I will tell you the connections. First, I have taken I2C LCD and Arduino UNO. In I2C LCD, there are 4 pins. They are GND, VCC, SDA and SCL. First, GND I have connected to ground pin, VCC 5 volts, SDA I have connected to A4, SCL I have connected to A5. SDA means serial data, SCL means serial clock. SDA and SCL I have connected to A4 and A5. Because A4 and A5 have some special functions. That's why I have connected to A4 and A5. Now, I will explain you the program. This is my program. First, I have written #include y.h. Means it is a library. Second one also a library #include liquid crystal I2C.h. This is also a library. Next, I have this is an object. Liquid crystal I2C LCD 0 into 27, 16, 2. This is an object. Next, LCD in white setup. I have written this LCD.init. Init means initial value. LCD.clear means I am clearing everything from the LCD. Next, LCD.backlight. I have used this function to on the backlight of LCD. Next, while loop. In while loop, I have written LCD.setCursor. Means which line you want to write. LCD.print. We are printing which we want. Now, I will execute my program. In LCD, it is displaying Happy IoT. In program, I have printed LCD.print Happy IoT. In the LCD, it is displaying Happy IoT. You can see Happy IoT there is in the LCD. Thank you.